guys.
Here's our slime review. It's really good.
Review. So I got it. We got the.
Really
we did the activator because activator is really
I'm
hard
gonna
to
name
do.
this Butters.
Butterscotch or butter.
Butterscotch.
Then you should make it butter slime. You can still make it butter slime if you want.
Yeah, maybe I will do that.
But
it's really poppy and really pokey.
we're gonna
Really
add our
stretchy.
beads now.
Yep. I'm gonna
So
show you.
here's my slime. It's a fluffy. It's a fluffy Jergens slime.
It's really pretty.
If you don't know what Jergens, that's the brand of this lotion. It's funny. Jergens. Okay, now it's time for beads. So I got these big fat pink beads, foam beads, and these tiny white beads. Tiny whites.
I got these orange ones. These white ones that these white
They're
ones
like yellowish,
that, yeah.
whitish.
And I also got these rainbow ones, like
Big
these.
fat pastel. Okay, now it's time to add. I'm gonna go on with my big.
I'm
fat
going
fat.
with my orange.
We got our helping hands too. Just saying.
No, I want to do it.
Bloop.
Bloop. Paloop. Paloop. Paloop.
Oh my gosh! Look at how.
Oh my gosh, that sounded like a fart.
Crunchy. I want this like to be all crunchy slime, but kind of don't. Mommy, what? What? Fart? I'm gonna make. What the heck? What? What the heck? What the heck is going on in here? I'm making this like a foam. Whoa, that's what I do. The beads helps. Whoa. Guys, we also have charms. What? Farted?
Yeah. It's going God.
No, she didn't. How do you know? Are you like spying on her? You farted? Arrow farted, guys.
No, you did.
What?
That's just our
Hands
mommy.
farted. What?
Guys, this is just our mommy talking to us.
Mommy?
I'm saying mommy.
Yes, it is our mommy. Say
Yeah.
hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's our
Hi,
mom.
guys.
Show your face.
No, Ariel, what the heck?
She can talk if she wants.
No, we're not doing a face reveal.
There's
Yeah.
going to be face reveal at 1 million subscribers, which will be
Yeah.
a lot of years, but
Yeah, but we did this wish thing that did not come true.
yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, Mommy? We were,
Yeah.
It didn't work.
Yeah, it did not seriously work.
They said it would. This is going to be foam, so that's why I'm adding on.
What is foam?
It's like a really, really crunchy slime. It's really cool. Oh no, I used a lot. Can you buy me more?
I kind of want more orange. I can't even see the orange in there.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah,
Oh,
mommy.
those are-
Yeah, mommy, those will work. Remember, you can talk.
Yeah, Mommy.
Okay, thanks, mommy.
There's gonna be like parts in this, like part 2, part 3. But are you having a foam slime too? Harry?
This is foam.
No, it's not, because you need more beads than that. I like white beads, so I'm adding
It's
more.
really good foam bead. Slime.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looks like a
Not too
voucher.
much so it doesn't fall out.
Okay.
Yeah, don't put too much, yeah, it will fall out. If
It will.
Say bye, mommy.
What the heck, Ariel? Not bye. Not yet. She'll probably say bye at the very, very end of the video.
Lily.
So, guys, we're going to add the beads that we want.
Guys, my friend is going to be here soon, right?
What the heck, Ari? I think I need some activator.
I think I don't need any activator. Mine doesn't look. Does mine look ready, mommy? Okay. Mom, you can talk. Why not?
Ari, she doesn't need to talk the whole day. Okay, guys. There's gonna be part 2, part 1, part 3, part 4. I don't know how many parts, but
Sorry, guys, we did not do our LL series. I'm so glad.
Arrow wants to do, but I don't. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna lay our charms on the table, and we're gonna like pick what charms we want, because we're gonna put charms in our slime, and and we'll see
Yes,
you
Mommy, I
guys
like that.
when we got our like charms all over the table.
You?
Hey guys, so here is all our charms. There's 100 charms here. Well, not anymore, because we used some. I like this milk chocolate, but
I like this Harpy. Cute.
I like this. Okay,
Or
but
star.
guys, comment down below which one you would do for me. I have 2 in mind.
I can
Even
get
though
that
this
off,
is
right?
grapefruit. I'm kind of making like this
Mommy,
like
I
a
can
summer
get this
theme.
off because I already got it off.
Summer theme slime.
I like this heart too. It's very.
So I may add a mermaid tail. I've been wanting one of
Maybe
these
add one
forever.
of these like hearts or stars or something.
Or like sunglasses. Well, maybe I would add blue sunglasses. Yeah, you already have one of those. I'm gonna probably
I
add.
wonder what heart I should do. Mommy, what should I do? What kind? Or like a pretty crown or something.
I'm gonna
or
pick
a
this
lemon.
one, guys. Here it is. It's like pink glitter at top and gold glitter at
I'm
bottom.
looking for yellow stuff.
Boom.
But these will
Yellow
look.
blends.
What?
Stay away from yellow, 'cause yellow blends.
Oh yeah. So maybe
Can
like.
do a crown.
Little doggies.
Really pretty.
I don't know. It's a hard choice. I kind of want a food.
Food. What even is these?
Yeah.
Who puts this into slime? Like. Mm-hmm.
Or maybe like I can do like this pretty flower too. Ooh, look at someone ate a lot of chocolate. Guys, look, the chocolate. Or this cute little stars mad.
Should food.
Yeah. I like a decoration maybe or something like that. This froggy is really cute too as well.
I want to
This
sit here
rainbow is so
forever.
cute. Whoa, look at that.
That's cool too.
Or maybe this one.
Mm.
Oh,
the bear.
I just don't know what choice. It's so hard. Why would someone want to put an ice cream cone?
I do.
That's all. Who would want to just
Me.
put an ice cream cone?
Me.
Why?
Me.
Cute.
It's just a cone with no ice cream. Maybe this watermelon looks cute.
Why is it's so cute and
Or
adorable?
strawberry.
It's like a pusheen cloud.
Or one of these. Like maybe like
Comment
this
down
one.
below if you guys like pushins. I love pushins.
Me too.
Oh,
We might even get one.
stuffed
Our mom
animal.
said.
Yeah, stuffed animal. Whoa! I like it. Hold on.
What is it?
It's a shooting star with a face.
Maybe. Oh, this
We've been
unicorn.
sitting here for almost 3. There's a carrot. 3 minutes. Okay, I picked this charm.
You know which one I picked? Da, da.
Oh,
I don't know. Oh, I don't know, guys.
Yellow.
I just don't know. Can you?
one.
I just need help.
I already mixed my charm in.
Can you help?
Me?
No, mommy.
Okay.
I don't know which one. I don't know if I should do one of these, those, like this pretty rainbow, or this.
Mm-hmm.
Which
Oh, I
one?
love this little. This would be good for pina colada.
Or this one.
Right.
Yeah. Well, I wish I could add two.
Me too.
I'll have
Can
one
we
too.
please? Can we add one like this and like one tiny
Two.
one?
It takes away from the look.
Please, please, please.
Fine.
No, I really don't know which one to
It takes away from the look.
Eeny, meeny,
I
miny,
guess
moe.
you're right, Mom.
Catch it by its tallest toe. If he hotter, let it go. My mom said to pick that very best person. You are not it. Okay, then I'm doing this one.
Aw.
I'm gonna make a swirl like I did before.
Those noises I love. Okay, because crunch. Crunch.
I don't know how to make it.
There's my mermaid summery slime. Grapefruit is like
That
a
should be good.
fruit, like you have in the summertime. And then there's a mermaid.
I'm gonna
tail.
make just like a pretty circle so it can be in it. This one.